And good day. Today we're having a look at this. This is a little case. It's got a little carry handle on it here, as you can see. Shoulder strap. Now it's for the DJI Tello quadcopter, the little one. It's got a couple of little provisions for batteries. So I've got a battery here. We'll just pop one in just to give you an idea. There's room over the back here for my GameSir TLD controller, which fits in. Of course, there's room for the little Tello itself. There's a spare battery in here. You've got a couple of spots for cables and bits and pieces. I do have a spare battery which is sitting here. I haven't popped that in just yet. So we'll just close that over, give you an idea, and you just run the zip around it and you got yourself a nice little carry case. It gives you a bit of protection, so nice and light, doesn't weigh much. Very, very good for carrying the Tello around with you, and it doesn't look like you're carrying anything that's going to cause damage to the public. So something nice and small like this is always a good idea. Some people don't have the money to buy the case. They have the money to buy the actual quadcopter itself. So what you can do as a cheap way of getting out of buying a case is just simply use the packaging that the Tello came in. So if you pop the Tello back in here, you can slide that into a bag. There's reasonable protection on either side, and you should be able to cart that around with you in your backpack. So that's another nice easy way of getting out of spending a lot of dough.